quickly wanted to share with you a thought with you. So last night I was having a discussion with my dear friend Lisa Andrews on our PJ Party edition on the concept of linear versus exponential thinking and linear versus exponential technologies. And the same also applies to marketing. And just now this morning I ran a Clever Bunch session on 2 types of strategies that are exponential. So that will help you to grow exponentially. So quickly the difference, and then I'd love for you to think about how you can tap more into exponential growth strategy. So linear means that you are growing in a linear way, sort of always the same way you're growing. So if maybe you are adding 3 more customers, and then on Wednesday 3 more, and then on Friday 3 more. So it's very linear as time goes by. So this is time, this is growth. And exponential means that you are growing a lot faster as time goes. So you're not just growing step by step in a linear way, you're growing exponentially. And there are certain marketing strategies that help you to tap into this exponential growth here. So growth and time here. And 2 of those strategies, so what I'd like you to think about for your own business is, what are some strategies for you that will help you to grow more exponentially? 2 of the ones that we worked on this morning with the Clever Bunch program is, one is a referral system, so having a referral system in place, and the second one is having strategic partnerships with other companies or organizations. And both of those are strategies that can help you to grow exponentially. So I just thought I'd share this with you because it's a really good thing to think about, is how can you leverage more of the strategies that help you to grow faster. I hope this is useful for you, and as always, we love to ask you the right questions to get your brain thinking about how you can improve your business and how you can grow faster. And if you enjoy these tips, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and maybe you know someone who would benefit also from these quick pro tips. And thank you for being here and sharing and caring. It means a lot.